London. A city where centuries of history meet modern-day brilliance. It's not just a destination, it's an experience. From the iconic Tower Bridge spanning the River Thames to the timeless charm of cobbled streets, London captures hearts at first glance. The London Eye gives you more than a view. It gives you perspective, a cityscape that tells 1,000 stories. Every chime of Big Ben echoes with history. Here, politics, royalty, and tradition have shaped the world. Buckingham Palace stands as a symbol of monarchy, heritage, and grace. Royal traditions unfold here every day. Yet, in the middle of this mighty city lies serenity. In its royal parks, its lakes, and its gentle walking paths. But London isn't stuck in the past. Its skyline tells a story of ambition and innovation. The Shard, the Gherkin, and glass towers that look to the future. London breathes energy. In every step, every corner cafe, every red bus that rumbles down the street. It's a cultural capital. With treasures from around the globe inside world-class museums, theatres and galleries. What makes London truly magical is its people. A global city, woven from hundreds of cultures, languages, and dreams. As night falls, London glows. A city that never sleeps, but always dreams. Whether you come for history, art, royalty, or rhythm, London welcomes you with open arms. And that's why the world loves London. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to explore more iconic cities from around the world. What's your favorite spot in London? Tell us in the comments below.